And it goes a little something like
Hello guys, my name is Zalfa Naifa from 12 Science 6. Here I am reviewing a film entitled Mariposa, played by Angga Yunanda and Zara Adisti. Mariposa is a romantic comedy genre film that tells about the love story of teenager in high school. This film was released in 2020. We can watch this film through the application eFlix, View, Netflix, Clickfilm, and other official application. You are still curious about this film? I will explain about this Mariposa film. Since the beginning of the film, it has been described how the figure of Natasha or Acha, played by Zara Adisti, who fell in love with Iqbal, played by Angga Yunanda, from the first sight. Both are one high school students who are really good at chemistry subject. Acha figure is described as a cheerful young girl, always optimistic and smart. In contrast to the figure of a young girl in romantic comedy films, what is usually depicted is like a woman who is just crazy about the figure of the man of the dreams, without being diligent in studying and knowing very well what she wants outside of love problems. Acha is cheerful person in contrast to Iqbal. Iqbal is described as a quiet person. This film is a romantic comedy genre because it is interpreted with various kind of jokes that can make the audience entertained. Because Acha behavior while kissing Iqbal is cute, the nature of Acha mother who likes K-pop. From this film, we can see how Acha struggles to get Iqbal attention, even though Acha was rejected by Iqbal when he approached him openly. For Acha, Iqbal is mariposa in Spanish, which means butterfly or something that is pursued but not reached. You really have to watch this film because this film is very suitable to watch as entertainment on the sidelines of business, because the storyline is like and you don't need to think like that. Mariposa story can also be very relatable to the experience of adolescents in general, which can make the audience flashback. You really have to watch this film because this film is very suitable to watch as entertain on the sidelines of business, because the storyline is like and you don't need to think like that. Mariposa story can also be very relatable to the experience of adolescents in general, which can make the audience flashback. The moral message that we can take from this Mariposa film is to teach those of you who are in love with someone not to have doubts about that feeling. You can say how you feel, whether it's accept or not. The most important thing is when you no longer have a burden to hide your feelings. Thank you for those of you who have taken the time to watch this video. I hope you like and enjoy my videos, and don't forget to like my video. Bye bye. Thank you.